Good morning. It's September 30th, 2025. This video deals with starting a long dormant airplane engine on this 1941 Piper J5. The engine's a Continental C85. By long dormant, I mean the last known record of the thing running was in 1995. Now it's 2025. I'm not so great with math, but that tells me it's about 30 years. So this goes against the advice of my old friend AMP that I worked with on my Cessna 172 project. I really wanted to start that 0300. In the end, he talked me out of it. He said, you know, it may cost you some money, by a scored crank or some other nefarious activities inside the engine. But to give you context, I really wanted to hear this C85 run. I had just, if you watch any of my other videos, brought the wings to the airport. The wings were sitting quietly, and I had just finished quite a bit of work on the Cessna 172. And as they say, idle fingers are the devil's plaything. So I went and started this engine, and I don't regret it yet. But it sounded good. Took a couple days. Changed the oil in it twice. I ran it for about 10 minutes, and so enjoy. If you like this content, like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. We'll catch you next time. Okay, so I have it tied out in front. Got it tied to the truck. Have it chocked. I'm gonna spin it a few times to make sure there's oil pressure up, and away we go. On day one, I struggled with having the engine spin over quickly enough, and that was because I used jumper cables to tie into the electrical system. Getting in this thing is tricky. Can I get a clear prop? Ooh, got fire. And start it again. Clear prop. Okay, we're getting in. On day number 2. I don't think I'm gonna use any primer. And turn the master on. Mags to both. I'm gonna turn it. Throttle's idled. I'm just gonna pull it up just a little bit. Clear prop.